Today we are going to fix the bench seat position. You see, there is a bolt. So this is bench seat. Bench seats need to be come together. So how we gonna handle these things? These things need to become all the way this up. So the best way the things we can lift it up and put position forward. And now we can put these things on other side. This one give us some more position to leverage around. So we don't need to lift the whole seat. We're just gonna lift the only point of the seat. You can see there is a leg here. So I'm gonna put the leg and push it back. And we're gonna push it. A little cut from the side. Okay, let's see where we are. And we need to lift this section too. Need a little more push. Well, this is actually better to do it with two people. Wow, that was not easy. So the best things, I'm gonna put my camera here this position to continue. And we're gonna put two bolts here. You see, one bolt is here and one bolt is here. This is the bench seat, the bolting option. So when you put this bolting, after that your bench seat will be very strong. I'm looking to find my ratchet box. It was somewhere here, but anyway. So this is the option. We fixed it. We made it together. So we close it, this one. And now you can see this seat has a different option. This seat has a power option. If it's matched this one, you can control from your rear seat to front seat. You should put this one back to make your seat belt option correct to go inside. See, it's not opening. Now opening. Okay, now little. Now you can see the seat is fit together straight with the bolting options here in bolting in. So here's Citgo Tahoe seat. We are located in Cypress, Texas, 77429. This is Elingit style 2019 Tahoe LT with the cup holder option and with the power and the heat option. This is my first video about the how to seat work. That's gonna be go more further. If you need any assistance for the seat, or if you need any assistance for, if you have a bench seat, you want to replace the captain chair, or you have a captain chair, you want to replace the bench seat, that's all options here. I will welcome to all everything.